Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to track your bills using Digit. Digit makes it easy to stay on top of your monthly bills by tracking them automatically and ensuring that you have enough saved or available when they're due. Let me show you what to do. So first step is going to be to log into Digit. So open the Digit app on your iOS or Android devices and log into your accounts. Next, navigate to the Bills section. Tap on the menu icon and select the section that's labeled Bills or Manage Bills. This section lists recurring bills that Digit is monitoring for you. You could also add a bill manually if needed. Just tap Add a Bill, enter the bill name, amount, and due dates, and then you're going to choose whether this is a one-time or recurring bill, and then tap Save. Next, you can review tracked bills. So Digit automatically tracks major recurring bills like rent, utilities, and subscriptions based on your linked bank account activities. You can see the list, due dates, and any associated saving goals. Next, let Digit save for your bills. When enabled, Digit will automatically set aside small amounts to prepare for your upcoming bills. You can customize this by adjusting your savings goals or enabling bill savings in your settings. To monitor notifications, you're going to receive alerts when a bill is due soon. You're also going to receive alerts for a bill payment is usually unusually high or low, and Digit saves money towards a bill. You're also going to get a notification for that. Syncing with your bank. So make sure that your bank connection is active so that Digit can continue to detect new or updated bills in real time. And by using Digit's bill tracking feature, you avoid surprises and can prepare for your monthly expenses more confidently and automatically. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.